Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy this Google search YouTube short method to make money online. Now, you don't need to create videos yourself, you don't need to be on camera before you can be able to create this video I'm going to be showing you today, because I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create these simple videos that you can upload to YouTube short and earn money online following the strategy I'm going to show you in this video. Now, this strategy I'm about to show you in this video works worldwide, and you can never get the full value of this video if you don't watch it right to the end of this video. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗂𝗿 and today I'm going to be your guide. On our channel, we share videos on digital marketing, web design, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and how to help you make money online in general. So if you find value in this video, please, I highly recommend you just take 1 second of your time to smash this subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends, so it will enable you to recommend our videos very well. So let's get straight into the video for today. Okay, so first what you need to do is to come to this website here called 𝗢𝗂𝗿. So as you can see here, this is an SEO tool, because what we're about to do today is we're going to be offering business owners a tool, like a software that they can use to improve their ranking on Google. So, the goal there is to get more visibility, get rank higher on Google, so that they can get more traffic to their website. And when lots of traffic comes to your website, it will equate to more leads and sales to their business. So every business owner wants it. So what we're going to do today is to sign up for this tool as an affiliate. So you watching this video, your job is to sign up to this tool here, as you can see here, 𝗢𝗂𝗿, as an affiliate. So you just come to www.𝗢𝗂𝗿.com here, as you can see on my screen here. All you have to do is just scroll down to this page and click on this affiliate program here. So click on it. When you click on it, you'll be brought to this page now. Now on this page, as you can see here, you'll be able to earn 30% recurring lifetime commission when you refer a paying client, a paying customer to this software. It is very easy if you follow the strategy I'm going to show you in this video. So now you can see the average monthly payout is this. You can see 2 million users have tried this software, and this is a very good software. It's all about keyword research, finding opportunities on search engine so that business owners can rank their business or website or those search terms, search terms related to their business. So just come here to this website, then click on this button here, just click on it here. Then you can see the breakdown of the commissions here. You can see everything here, how much you're potentially going to earn. Now, what you need to do is to click on this start earning button here. Okay, so once you come to this side here, all you have to do is to create an account. If you don't have an account, just click on this button here. Then fill in all this information here to ask you, how did you find 𝗢𝗂𝗿? Just type you found it from YouTube. Let me see if there's an option there. Okay, so you can see so many options here. Let me just scroll down a bit. You can see YouTube here, so just select YouTube here, then create an account there. So once you've successfully created an account and it has been approved, you get your affiliate link now. So once you get your affiliate link, all you have to do is to copy it in Notepad. So just save it on Notepad. Now, once you have it saved on Notepad, what you have to do now is to come to Google, because we're going to be creating YouTube shorts. And probably as a beginner or somebody who doesn't know maybe about SEO and how to rank website, you want to educate yourself more, because as an affiliate, you need to know what you're doing, like the product you're trying to promote, in order for you to be able to promote that product effectively. So you need to come to Google here. So once you come to Google, you just type how to rank on Google first page. Yes. So this is probably one of the problems business owners might be facing. So they want to be able to rank their website or product or services on the first page on Google, so that they'll be able to get more traffic. Because obviously, when you search for something online, just take yourself as an example now. If you want to visit a website, you might probably click on the first or second or third result on this first page here. Hardly you go to these other pages here, this down to the fifth page, hardly you go to those pages. So those business owners on those pages, they hardly get traffic to their website. So those business owners on those pages, they want to be able to rank on this first page here, so that they'll be able to attract traffic. Now what you need to do is just type this search term here. Once you type this out, you can look at all these blog posts here. So in this case, I just scroll down here. Let me just see, my trackpad is behaving. Okay, so here, let me just find it. Okay, so I just click on this result here, but you can click on any of them here. So all of them, they are okay. So once you click on that now, what we're trying to look for is we're trying to look for content we're going to use on our YouTube short video. So here on this blog post, you can read through this blog post here. But the most important thing I want you to note here is this part here. So when I scroll down here, let me just scroll down to this place. So here, where you see the list here, you can see number one, start by dominating long tail keywords. So what you have to do is just go down, just copy the title here. So just copy this down to, let's say, 1 to 5. You can copy 1 to 5 because we don't want the YouTube short video to be very long. So just copy the first 5 tips there. Okay, so once you go through the article there, all you have to do is just, copy the first 5 or first 3. So just copy it and paste it on Google Doc here. You just create a new Google Doc, you paste it here. So once you paste it on Google Doc now, the next step you need to take is to go to software called Canva. So just go to Canva. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create an account with Canva. If you have a Gmail, it's very easy for you to create. Okay, so once you come here, what you need to do is just type YouTube Shorts here, because we want to create a YouTube short video. So just click on this one here. Okay, so once you do this, you just come here. You can click on any one here. So we'll just pick this one for now. Just click on customize this template. Remember, you can also spend your time here. If you feel like you want to use a template, you can see this one is also good for what we want to do, but we'll just go from scratch. So yeah, I'll just come here. What I'll just do is I'll just delete all this for now. So I'll delete this page. I'll also delete this page. Then I'll also delete this one. So we're left with a blank canvas here. Okay, so what we need to do now is to come to this section which says videos. If you don't see these videos here, just click on apps here, then you see it here. So you just click on videos here. Okay, so once you click on videos, now remember our video is all about how to help business owners, giving them tips on how to help business owner rank on Google. So what we want to do is to find related videos from here. These are free videos that we can add to our canvas here. So what we can just type here, we can just type Google here. Okay, so once you type Google, you can drag in this video here. So I'll just drag this one up to this place here. Then you extend it like this, or extend this place too. So once you extend it, you can drag this into this place here. Okay, so once you drag this into this place here, what we want to do is just pick, like, let's say 3 seconds of this video. 1 second is also okay, or let's just put it 2 seconds. So let's say 2 seconds is okay. Now once you pick 2 seconds, you can cut the video by clicking on split here. So to split it now, we can delete this one because we won't be needing it again. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is to add in a new page. So just add a new page here. Now after you add a new page, you need to come back to your tip here. So I'll just drag this to this end here. Now it says long tail keywords. So what can we do about this now? We can use, let's say, keyboard or keyboard. Let's use keyboard. Okay, somebody typing, so maybe we can use this here. Then we can drag this into this place. But you can spend your time to customize your video very well. So here I'll just drag this to this end here. Then I'll also drag this to this end. Then I'll shift it to this place here. So here I'll just do for these two here, but you understand what I'm saying. So here I'll just look for, let's say, let me drag this head here. Let's say I'll just pick down to 3 seconds here. Then, or let me make it 4 seconds. So 4 seconds is okay. 4 seconds is okay. So I'll cut this video to here. Oh no. Okay, so I'll do this. I'll just drag it to 4 seconds again. Then I'll split the page here. Split page. Then I'll delete this here. Okay. Let me delete this one. So we have these two now. So what we want to do is create the next one. So this is the last one I will just create for this example now. So the next example here is, it says AdWords. So let's see if we're going to see video related to AdWords on Canva. So let's just type AdWords here. Yes. Okay, but this video saying pro here means it's pro, so we can't use it if you're using the free version of Canva. But if you're using the pro version, you can click on get pro. It's actually cheap to get Canva Pro, but you can then go with pro. So let's just do for ad. Let's see. We can just find something, let me just do this quickly. Let's say advert. I'll just use this one for now. Let me just use this one so I don't waste your time. But you understand, you just go through it, find a video that is very good there that you can use for your scenes there. So I'll just use this as an example. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick just down to 6 seconds. So the total of this video will be like let's say 6 seconds long. So I'll then delete this one. I don't need this page. Okay, so we have 2 here, 2 here, 2, so it will be 6 seconds. As you can see here, 6 seconds. So what we want to start doing now is start adding text here. So first of all, let's start from the first thing here. So I'll come to this one here, and I'll click on heading here, or I'll just go down to this place here. Let me scroll down. Let me see if I'm going to see something that we can use here. So let's see different templates that we can use. Okay, so I don't see anything here that I can. The one I want to actually use, can't find it here. So I can find it here. So since I can't find it here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the title of our article. So the title of our article here is, let me see, when I scroll back here, when I scroll up to the top here, then I just copy this. Or when I go back to Google, let me just type this here. So this is the title of our video. So I'll come back here and I'll paste this into this space here. Then I'll just Ctrl A there, then make everything like this. You can just spend your time to do this very well. So I'll just maybe do it like this. Then I'll shift it to this space here. Okay, then I'll increase the height of this text here. You can also change the font family if you want to also change it. Maybe if you want to use something like this, you can also do that. Let's see. Okay, so you can also do that if you want to change the color of the text. You can change the color of the text if you want to change the color of the text here. But here I'll just leave it as white. So once you do that, next I can just come here, elements here, come to element, then put this element here. And I'll drag this into this page because we want to write like a short description on what that actually means. So when somebody watching the video, they can read what you're writing there. Okay, so here I'll just come here, I'll just copy this short text here. You can just summarize each of those lines there, so your video doesn't look so long or it's not so long. So here I'll come back to text here, then I'll click on body, this one here, I'll drag it into this place here. I'll drag it up here. So then what I can do is I can just paste that text into this space here, so this is, then I can reduce the size a bit. You can either reduce or increase it if you want to. You can, okay, so here maybe I can just, let me just center it. So center is okay. Okay, so now we're done with this first video here. Then you can repeat the same step here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on these two here. Then I'll copy this now. Then I'll come to this next page here. Then I'll paste it here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it to the top here. Then for the top, maybe we can also do something here. We can just, because of the white text there, we can just do this here. So you can change your background color to be anything. So once you're done with this, I'll just click everything here. So you put your next tip here. Remember, put the next tip there. Then for this end here, I'll click on this. Then I'll paste this one to here. So here, let me just go and pick the next tips here. So I'll copy this one here. This is okay. So let me just copy this one. Then I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on this line spacing. Okay, so I'll just drag it. Okay, so you can see how everything is. Remember, you can ensure that there's a background like this, square background is there, so that your text is visible. So at the end of the day, when you're done with all this, you can add the background music there, so it will make your video come on live very well, to enable people watch your video very well. Then you can just click on this here. Sorry, this is pro, so we don't want to add this pro here. Let's just use this one. But you can import your own music. If you have the music you want to use, you can import it. So let me just shift this. Let me just shift this to the end there. Then I'll drag this music to the end of this place, so it will be the full. So now you can play it if you want to play it. But remember, at the end of the day, let's say you're done creating your video, you need to give them a call to action. So the call to action can be, let's say, let me just drag this. Then I'll duplicate this. Then you can say, check link in description. Okay. So now you can give them a call to action there so that when they come to this end, like the end scene of the video, they'll see this call to action and they'll actually go to your description of your YouTube short to check out for the link there, and they kind of potentially click on it and go back to the website, which is the Mango's website there, to buy the software. That way you can earn affiliate commission there. So once you're done with this, then we can download this video. So let me just quickly download the video. So you leave it as MP4, all pages here, then click on download. Okay, so once the file gets downloaded to your PC, what you need to do is to click on this, come back to YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel. It's actually very easy. So once you come back to your YouTube channel, what you want to do here is just click on this, your profile, image here. Then, you click on this, you see this plus button here, this button actually. Click on it, then click on upload video because you want to upload the video which you downloaded from Canva just now. Okay, so you see this pop up here. So just click on select files here. Now, once you click on select files, so you just find the file actually where it is on your PC. Okay, so once the video gets uploaded, all you have to do is just put your title here. So let me go back to this place. I'll just copy the title here. Then I'll just paste the title here. So now you can optimize your title very well. Once you optimize your title, as you can see here on my link here, you can see so many links here. So this is how we make money on our YouTube channel. When we recommend web hosting like this, if we give value to our audience, they will refer them to our description here. When they click on any of the link here to go over to buy the offer we're recommending to them, will earn money. So that is the same thing you're going to do. You're just going to write a simple description. Let's say, so you can just write a call to action like this, then add your link. So let's just put an example. This is our link here, so I'll just copy this here. So this is our Mango's affiliate link, so I'll just paste it here. So you sign up for Mango's, and so you just get your affiliate link there, then paste your affiliate link here. You don't need a thumbnail for a YouTube short. Then you scroll down here, add it to a playlist. As you can see here, I have a short play. Just create a playlist here, then click on add new here, then click on done. So once you're done creating the playlist, you just come down here, you add your tags here. So you add tags related to the video you're creating, then go to the next step, then next step, then you publish the video by making it public, then click on save. That is how you can publish your new YouTube short video and earn money with YouTube. Okay, so another way you can also earn money is if you create these videos, you're going to be getting views, and as you're going to be getting views to your videos, your subscriber base is also going to be growing. So this is another way of growing a YouTube channel. Now, you might be asking, okay, you don't have a follower, you don't have, like, your channel is brand new. How do you get views on your video? You can also go to Google here, then search for any kind of business at all. You can search for barber shop in, LA. Okay, so once you search for barber shop in LA, so your goal here is to contact these businesses. So now you will know waiting for them to contact you. You're going to contact them, but I don't recommend you contact this source because they're already doing something right for them to be appearing on first page here. So what you want to do is to go from the 5th or 7th page. So once you go to the 7th page here, they start contacting these businesses. Say, go to their website, contact them, then pitch them your service. Tell them, okay, there's a software or your service that you can help them rank their business very fast on Google first page. So that way, if they say, okay, how are you going to do, then you send them your YouTube short video for them to go over to watch that video, and potentially when they watch that video, they can go over to buy that software or sign up for that software. This is how you can also do it. Now, if you're looking for a proven online business to start earning money online very fast, please, I highly recommend you check out this link in our description here to get our free blueprints, a video that is going to walk you through step by step on how to start a high-ticket affiliate, business, promoting and marketing valuable product that people are already searching for online to buy right now. So you don't need to do any customer service. You don't need to create the product. You don't need to even touch the product. You don't need to own it. You just market it. And when people buy this product through your affiliate link, you earn sweet commission up to $1,000 per sale. So just go get the blueprint, watch the video, and see how you can, kickstart your own online business right now. Now, please, if you find value so far in this video, please, I highly recommend you just smash this subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends. Now, but before you go, I highly recommend you check out these videos that are paying up here, so you can learn more money making strategies on how you can grow and make more money online. So I hope to see you in one of our next video.